We have a custom here in Hawaii of asking permission to enter a place before we come in. It really is wise to do so because you're not assuming, you're asking to be invited in. Pono means to be in balance, to be proper, to be in concert with your surroundings, the place where you visit, the people that you interact with. One of the things that people can do here in the islands is to volunteer with a community group that's already taking care of a sacred site, because I can't tell you how much you can learn from that experience from the people who live here. Travel Pono for the most enjoyable experience of your life.